Hello guys, welcome back. This is your girl Stacy-Lee on Vibes TV. I'm in the kitchen today. Yeah, we're back in the kitchen. Today we'll be doing cow skin with beef bone and peas soup. So that is cow skin with beef bone and peas soup. Behind the camera, of course, is your lady, Madarine. She'll go and hold it with the camera, right? So let's get straight into it. So we already went ahead and pressured the cow skin and the beef bone. So the cow skin, we gave it roughly like 30 minutes, and then we add the beef bone to it, and then we give it another 10 minutes. So we're now gonna add it to the pot with the peas. So this is the cow skin. So it is very soft. You can just use. Okay, so this is the beef bone. So the beef is well soft too. So we're now going to add it to the pot. So this is the beef bone. So let's add it to the pot with the peas on the stove. Just stirring everything and just let it go and cook a little. So we have like this is the chocho. It's already cut up and we had this free, so we're going to use it. This is the carrot, the pumpkin, this is some cocoa. So we're now going to add this to the pot. So these were already cut and freeze. We have these in the fridge, and we're adding the pumpkin to it. So this is what is actually going to give the soup the body and help it to taste all nice. All right. So we'll add all of this to the pot. Just going to let this cook. And I'm going to add some scallion to it. So just give it some taste to the pot. All right. So while that is over there cooking, we're going to get the yam and the dumpling together. We're just peeling the yam. So this is the yellow yam in small pieces. Here. Add the yam to that one. So we're making cornmeal dumpling today. So let's add the cornmeal to it. And you just add a little salt to taste. All right. And you make your dumpling. If you want to use spoon, you can use spoon. I am comfortable using my hands. So we just get it all mixed in. Get everything together. All right, there we go. Hey, Matt.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
All right, so the dumpling is all made. So we're just gonna let this rest a little. Just gonna let this rest a little until whatever we put in, the carrot and the pumpkin and the cocoa all cook. And then we can put the flour, the dumpling and the yam in. Okay guys, we're gonna check in on the pot. Alright. So we're now going to add the yam and the dumpling to it. Pataboil. So pataboil and everything is simmer down. So we're now going to add the dumpling to the pot. So we're just making some small dumplings. This is the cowskin with beef bone and peas soup. One of Jamaican's favorite cowskin or beef soup. So I'm just combining the cowskin and the beef together with peas.
Peas, peas. Peas and peas and
Yes, my pea soup. You're gonna drink up your pea soup?
chicken. A pumpkin feature.
Are you gonna have your pumpkin?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Just gonna add some thyme for taste. Add a little more scallion for taste. So we're going to season the pot now. Adding the gray stock soup to it. And we're also adding a Maggi noodle to it. Alright. And we stir everything in. Look at it. Looking very pretty with the carrot. And the scallion. Smelling good. Yeah, so we're just going to allow this to cook for another 10-15 minutes and we should be good. So I'm just stirring it and let it simmer a little.